to celebrate.
Okay, I think it's on. Hi everybody, it's Friday!
Happy Friday!
Sushi Friday nonetheless.
Friday.
Welcome to Sushi Friday. We're coming live from Amanda's yard.
On a beautiful Friday in
Gorgeous
September.
fall crisp day, thank God.
With a lot of exciting things going on. With the news everyone's been sharing about Port Jeff, right?
Yeah, Port Jefferson High School was named, won the National Blue Ribbon Award. 1 of 5 in Long Island. I mean, is that correct? In 5 in Long Island?
I think that's
Which
right.
is a very prestigious award, and we're all very proud because we send our children to Port Jefferson School, so we couldn't be prouder of our teachers, our administrators, and certainly our great students that go there.
And their parents.
And their parents,
And their parents, of course. And I want to send a big shout out to the Port Jeff girls tennis team for their big win this week, and I want to wish them luck in their matches today at Bellport.
Oh,
Go girls!
Go girls.
Go!
Go tennis.
So, also thank you to everyone who supported the fall crawl last weekend.
That's right.
That was so much fun, and again, the weather has just been really in our favor. It was another beautiful day. A lot of people came out, enjoyed some of the fun activities that we had going on. We did have 2 winners for the candy corn counting contest.
That's right. We can't forget the winners. So the candy corn counting contest took place, and we had 2 winners, an adult winner, and we want to give a shout out to Chris Shelley for winning that guest.
Congratulations!
Good job, Chris.
And our child winner was Emily Ambrosi, no relation. If anybody knows who she is, we can try and get in touch with her.
girl that showed
She
up
also
at
had
the
the
house.
most guesses in there, I hear, right?
Maybe.
That was
Are you
great.
taking my...
That was great. Lots of fun. I think
We're
we
sharing
got a
sushi today, as
tray
always.
here. It
Stealing
looks
and sharing.
good. It looks good. So yeah, that was a wonderful day, and we not only had a lot of great visitors at our open house, but we had also some neighbors stop by. And one question came up in particular that we hear a lot, and it wasn't so much a question as much of a statement, but we were just talking about this same exact thing amongst ourselves in the office the other day, and that is, you know, so often we're talking to someone, and whether it's someone that calls in about a house and they just are looking to get some information, or we run into them in the grocery store, and they say, you know, yeah, my wife and I, we've been thinking about downsizing or thinking about putting the house up on the market, but we're not ready yet. We're just in the beginning stages of it, and you know, we're not ready for a real estate agent, or so they think. But in reality...
So when's the right time to talk to a real estate agent?
Well, that's exactly it. You know, I think that before you do anything, if you're thinking of doing it with selling in mind, that is the right time to go ahead and call a real estate agent, because you don't want to do anything and have it be either A, the wrong thing, or B, something that you don't necessarily have to spend the money on or have to spend the energy on, or
Feel rushed.
Yeah. Absolutely.
So a year or 2 is not too far out to start thinking about and getting the information from your local real estate agent. Is that right?
Definitely not, because if you have the thought of selling, then that's the time to start gathering the information, and that's really all it is about. Is it's getting the best information for yourself to put you in the best position
Educating
possible.
yourself so that when the time is right, you're ready to go.
100%. 100%. So, you know, we just like everyone to know that that's what we're there for, is really to provide that value, to provide our experience, to provide what we're seeing. Will we be able to walk in the door and say, oh, this is what I think your house is going to sell for in 2 years from now or 3? No, you know, obviously that's not what we were going to be there to do, but it would be more of a guidance as far as these are the steps, this is the process, this is how you can make everything work, because it is sometimes an overwhelming thing to think about. And also, you know, we do live in an area that it can be a little bit tricky. Our options of where to move to can be a little bit limited, which also is why it's important to go ahead and start to talk to that real estate person early, so that they can have it filed away in the back of their head. This is what they're looking for. Or when you're talking to someone else, oh, this would be great for that person, or all of.
And that's our job, to always connect A with B to make everybody happy.
Definitely. Definitely.
So we'll help you along with that process, and you may think that you want a tuna roll today, but guess what? The yellowtail might be better for you.
And
So
sometimes
you
you
never
like to
know.
add that spicy crunch in there too. You never know.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, all this tuna talk. Should we get to it?
I'm hungry.
Sure.
All right.
Shout out to Mount Sinai Sushi. We love you.
Have a great weekend,
Happy
everybody.
Friday. Bye-bye.
See you
Bye
next
now.
week.
In a very short amount of time.